इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
I want to go the lotus feet of Lord Tirthankara. Pashna Swami was the moonlight Tirthankara Rajgarh near Krishnanagar, Delhi. And I want to go in front of Param Puja Acharya Bhansi Adi Sakiji Maharaj, his main disciple Acharya Shri Mahapikiti Ji Maharaj, his disciple Param Puja Acharya Shri Bimal Sakiji Maharaj, his main disciple Acharya Shri Param Puja Tapasya Samrat Sanmati Sakiji Maharaj, and his main disciple Paramaja Chaturthaputta Sunil Sakiji Maharaj. In Vayan Saro, he delivered so fantastic thing. In 15th stanza of this Vayan Saro, Achashi told, Kalyug Kalu se Sacha Bhave Sajjugo Navajugo Nabini Bhavi Vattade Jugo Mavi Vattade Jugo. In Hindu mythology, they divided time in 4 stanzas, 4 parts. One part is millions and billions year of one part is there. So first is Kaliyug, then Treta, then Dwapar, है ना? First is Satyug, then Treta, then Dwapar. Nowadays Kaliyug is running. That is just telling Kaliyug means so worst time. In this time, in that according Hindu mythology, in this time, very few religion and there is no too much clear and pure mind is there. So Acharya is telling Kalyug Kalussehi. It means the mystery and suffering thoughts which are able to give the pain, and they will those thoughts who is able to create misery and trouble in your mind, in any other person mind. That is Kalyug. He is not telling. Acharya is delivering here that there is nothing like Satyug and Kalyug. If anybody is, any revenge feeling is there, any jealous ego feeling is there, at the time that is Kalyug. It's not a good time, it's not good era. It's not good era. Sacha bhavi sajjugo. So because of good virtues and values, good thought brings the era of God. That is Satyug, era of God. And the navjugo navidehi, नए भावों से नवयुग होता है. New era means new thoughts. New thoughts means the thought which didn't come in your mind. We are not came here first time on this planet. In the journey of our soul, we all are souls. In journey of our soul, we got trillions and billions and billions and trillions and trillions and trillions times we came here on this earth, on this planet. So in this all births and death, cycle of this birth and death, we came here billions and trillion times. So Acharya is telling, Acharya is delivering so fantastic thing ki new era means the thought which didn't come in your mind, the heart of your soul. Shuddha Swarupoham Ananda Swarupo. This thought didn't came in your mind. The thought to serve the monk, to serve the Digambar Muni, the thought of Abhisheka Puja. There is so fantastic proverb, a quotation in Hindi. एक बार बंदे जो कोई ताई नरक पशुगति नहीं होई. By heart, with full mind, if you are worshipping at holy place, Sambit Shikharji, only one time, you will go there with heart, with mind, with your 100%, you will put there. So because the purity of that place, because so many Tirthankaras, they got moksha from that place. So because that place, your mind will this much pure, that you will never get birth of animal. You will never go in hell. That is the beauty of our Jainism. Tata is telling कि like these worshipping, like you're adoring, you're offering Ashtadravya, Jal, Chandan, Akshat, Pushpa, Deep, Doop, Phal, you are doing Ashtadravya. There's a special tradition, there's a special ritual in Jainism. By Ashtadravya, by 8 things. 8 things, you will do the puja, you will do the worship, you will adore, then surely, parampara se, you will get the attain the moksha. That is the way, bhavehi vattidi jugo. है ना? The era, new era of God, era of pure thought, era of Shuddhatma, it will come by help of new thoughts, good thought, holy thought. No thought to contribute to solve anything. You don't want to contribute and solve anything, then what is the use of human value? You got mind, you got mind, you are Panjendri Jeev, you all 5 senses. So you can serve any person, na? You can serve any person, you can help to any person. If you are doing something for needy and poor person, you are not doing something for Goshala, then there is no meaning of life. Do something. Here in temple, do Abhishek and Puja, and do adore Abhishek and adore the God, idol of God. Do the Ahardan, to offer the food to Digambar Mundaraj. Do the Swadhyay, Aap Jinmani, read holy books. Our so ancient acharyas, that is the one thing. Second thing, Karunadan. Do the something which are related from compassion. That compassion, there is no meaning of life. So many Sai missionaries, they are doing so too much charity. They open so many schools and hospitals. They are providing education and other facilities are there. So because of these things, their religion are getting too much height. Every day they are getting height, new height. But in Jain tradition, in Jain religion, so many persons are there. They have no belief in Karunadan. So many times they tell, Daya dharm nahi hai, dan dharm nahi hai. Like these, according those persons, donation is not the religion. Even if you are giving food any monk, they will tell you there is no Bhavalingi Muni. Bhavalingi means the real Muni, real monk. There is no real monk on this earth, on this planet. It's okay. If they are thinking their belief, their emotions, okay, I know problem with those all persons. But that is telling ki your purity of your thought, purity of good emotions, it will create new era. That is the main thing. Now we all are here. So we are so lucky. We got birth in this planet, on this earth. And not only yet, but we got birth in this India. How much our thought was pure in a pre-birth. I want to acknowledge. I want to appreciate those thoughts, those actions. Because of that action, because of those actions, we got birth in our Jain Kul, Jain Dharma. We got Jain religion and Jain thought. And so many persons who are Jains, they are doing something regarding holy books, regarding the preachers of Digambar Mundarajas. They are like jewels. So many ladies so many gents are there wearing too much jewelry, ornaments. Here, and so many other jewelry of gold, jewelry of diamond, jewelry of platinum, jewelry of ring of iridium. Too much precious stones and other things are there. But I'm telling, I'm a believer, nah, these are not real jewelry. These are not real gem. What is the real gem? The person who is coming temple, the person who is doing Vayavarti, who is serving the Mundaraj, that person is the real gem. The person who is offering food to Digambar Mundaraj, that person is the real gem. That person is more precious than iridium, than platinum. Asset, more precious than diamond. I want to motivate you. Be the diamond. Not wear the diamond. Be the diamond. And what is that is the way to be the diamond. We all are here. Only one thing, it will make difference in your life. And what is it? Bhavehi vattadi jugo. Era of God and new era, the result of your internal feelings and thought process. If that is, if it will purify your thought process, it will purify your feelings and emotions and belief, surely whatever you want will actualize, realize any dream in your life. So that is the way to get the new era. Don't wait for new era. Don't wait that God will appear and then He will bless you. Otherwise, when you will close your eyes and you will do the Atma of Shuddhatma, meditation of Shuddhatma, pure soul. It's okay. When you will do this all thing, surely you will get fantastic result in your life. But it will after some time. What is instantly? After death, you will get the Swarga, you will get this and that. I'm not telling like that. Now in this moment, your thought is pure, your mind is pure, activities, your deeds are pure. Surely you can at this moment, you are in moksha, you are in heaven. Okay, after death, you will get, that's a different matter. But on this earth, that heaven can appear. Firstly, heaven will appear in your mind, in your heart. Or then your body will go there. After death, then you will get the new body, you will get birth there. So what is the starting? Starting from here. After, I don't know after how many years you will get Chaturth Kal and you will get the Muni Diksha and you will get Moksha and you will finish your all 8 karmas, you will finish all karmic bondage. I don't know this all things, but I know only one thing. What is one thing? Yug nahi bhav badlo. What is a great quotation? Apacharya Gurudev Sunil Sahib Maharaj styling delivering. See his picture. A glorious face is there. How charming eyes is there. And by too much power delivered, help up your pure emotions, internal purity. It will create the new era, the era of God. If you will wait for Chaturth Kal, for Chautha Ara, for Chaturth Kal. Oh, when Chaturth Kal will come, then era of God will come, then era of God will come. When the era of God will come, when I will get birth in era of God, then I will get moksha. Okay, that's a different conversation. But Acharya is telling, so beautiful thing. See. Try to see the beauty of this all words. Kaljugo kalu se satchabave sajjugo navjugo navine bhave vattade jugo bhave vattade jugo bhave vattade jugo. See, God is calling you. God is like a simple human being. If simple ordinary human being is calling you, physically calling you, virtually calling by phone, that person is WhatsApping and leaving message on Insta and Facebook and WhatsApp and other social media platform. That's a different thing. But God will not call like an ordinary person. God sent us. Us means Mundaraj. God gave you Jinvani Mata. So by help of Jinvani Mata, by help of his monk are coming to you and pouring, delivering his blessings to you, that is the way. Because if we use these tools and device, surely we will get the path of moksha. Suppose the very poor person, he just only simple bicycle is there. So it is very typical. Otherwise, it is impossible to reach US and UK from India to US. That journey is impossible for the person by help of bicycle. But consider, he has each and every facility. He is also car is there. He also using aeroplane and plane and these all things. Surely, it is very easy, very simple to reach US and UK from India. So like that, if you are on the journey of spirituality, your journey for ultimate, you are getting, you want to get the source of eternal and infinite energy. We can say that is moksha. It's only one way. This is the device. This is the device. At the kun din all holy books at kun not told nipiche nothing banam. The person who is no like this pitching, he can't get moksha, he can't attain moksha. That is Dravling. Dravling means outermost world. In this outer world, whatever doing, your deeds, your activities, that is one thing. And the second, your emotions, your bhav, that is bhavalinga, bhavalingi. So that is bhavalinga. So both things are essential, too much essential. You're serving for your wife, your children. You're giving food and shelter and other facilities. That is like you have earned. And consider that is like you have earned. And there is too much attachment and love you have in your mind and heart for family. That is like nishchana. Both things should be there. In outer world, there should be, you should provide food and shelter, and if they are sick, then go to doctor. Okay? You're going to naturopathy doctor, you're going to acupuncture doctor, and other alternate therapies. But you're doing this all things. That is the outer world is so precious, and internal world is so precious than outer world. If you balance in these two worlds, inner world and outer world, in both will enhance. Surely one day will get moksha. If you do like this, oh, I will not do an activity from my body. I will not do meditation. I will not do swadhyay. I will not go temple. I will not offer to food to Mundaraj. I will not do ahar dan, and I will get moksha. It's impossible. Even you can't get moksha even in dreams. You can't get moksha even in dreams. But by physics, by your body, you're doing this all things.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।